Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to see city intimation for CUET-UG. First, navigate to the official CUET-UG website. Once there, find the candidate login area. You will need your application number and password to proceed. This initial step is crucial for accessing your examination details quickly and efficiently, ensuring you are ready for the next stage of the process. After successfully logging into your account, look for a prominent link labeled City Intimation Slip or similar. Clicking this link will display your examination city. Remember, this slip provides information about the city where your exam will be held, not the specific test center. This helps you plan your travel arrangements in advance. Your city intimation slip will clearly state the city assigned for your CUET-UG examination and the scheduled date. It's important to understand that this document is solely for informing you of your exam city and date. It is not your official admit card, which will be released separately and contain more detailed information, including the exact venue. Once you have viewed your city intimation slip, it's a good idea to download and save it for your records. Keep an eye on the official CUET-UG website for the release of your admit card, which will provide your specific examination center details. Regularly checking for updates ensures you have all necessary information for your upcoming examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.